Well, so the last video that I made where I was going over and teaching you how to use AI and make realistic AI looking videos is now outdated because AI is moving so fast that every time I make a video, they add something or it gets even better. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to try to make it as future proof as possible. I'm going to show you 3 different styles that you can create. So let's go ahead and get into the styles that we're going to be covering. Number 1, I'm going to show you how to make realistic, hyper-realistic avatars, I guess I should say. Number 2, I'm going to show you how you can create and grow accounts, different social media accounts, mainly TikTok, but hypothetically use this for any social media. And then the third one, image to video concepts. Now the third one is probably the one that has changed the most because now it's really freaking good. If you're somebody that's trying to grow a business, if you're somebody that's trying to market for anything, literally anything, if you're somebody just wants the dopamine hit of watching a view count go up on a TikTok video, then you can learn something from this video, I promise you. So here we go. The tools we're going to be using. We're going to use Flow, number 1, prompt builder that you can use. We're going to use ChatGPT, ImageFX, and then Pinterest for images. Now, how do we monetize this and make money from it? It's pretty simple. We're going to be using TikTok, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. All right, so first step, you got to have Flow. I'm not sure the exact pricing. I'll probably put a list or something up on the screen here, but you're going to have to get Flow. The reason we get Flow and we don't just use Gemini, you got the video quality, so you can download at 1080p if you use Flow compared to Gemini, which is I think 720. Gemini's audio, from what I've noticed, it's not as good. I mean, they still throw in some audio, but it's not as good as VO3's audio. Just in terms of making the best AI video, you're going to have to use VO3. What does that look like? So we're on VO3 now. We're going to click new project. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to create the most realistic AI videos and AI characters. Now let's walk through the steps of what that looks like. What I like to do whenever I'm creating videos, depending on the goal, is this process. So you start with a detailed scene, obviously the boring stuff, but first off, anybody can use this prompt builder if you want to use it. I'll have a link in the description for you. So I'm going to come up here because it's already on the website. I'm going to click on the prompt builder. I'm then going to describe the goal and the outcome of the video. So if you're in Titans, by the way, you have this. And if you're not using it and you're trying to do AI videos, missing out. So the goal of this video. Okay, so we have a girl ranting about how much Gage Sampson has helped her so much with her AI content. And then we're going to select the avatars or select the avatar. We're going to go 18 to 25. The environment, we're going to go car selfie style, and then we're going to go intimate and honest. I went ahead and added shell shocked, and she can't believe how much money she's been able to make from this. But you just seen the prompt. I just added a few more extra things, not very comprehensive, and this is what it cooked up. Bam. So we're going to copy this, and then we're going to go over to Flow. We're going to paste that in there. We're going to come up here to the little settings section, VO3 quality. That's what it has to be on. Do not do VO3 fast. Don't do VO2. Don't do VO2 quality. You want VO3 quality. Each video with VO3 quality is 100 credits. On this account, we have 12,180 credits. Now, I have spent thousands of dollars just testing out VO3 when it first came out. You can go back and find old tweets that I've made where I'm telling people you need to be using this. You need to be using this. But basically what I was doing was I was figuring out how to develop the most comprehensive, the most detailed, perfect prompt that would give me the most realistic AI videos. I've had some viral videos on TikTok talking about this. Go back to Flow and let's watch this video that it was able to make.
With my AI content, I could not be more grateful to Gage Sampson. He has helped me so much.
He's helped me so much with my AI content, and I can't even believe how much I've grown with it.
How he has impacted my future is still something that I just have not been able to fathom or comprehend yet.
There we go. So now you see what it cooked up with the prompt. The next section, we have the realistic avatar method. It's already, the prompt builder's added the emotion. The prompt builder is generating the final videos with Flow. It's already doing all this other stuff. Next, now how do you create videos that are gonna help you grow accounts on social media? So you've probably seen videos with Sasquatch or Bigfoot or the babies giving interviews or taking interviews. That's how you can grow accounts with AI. You just pick something that connects with people emotionally. On the emotional level, most people, when they see AI videos, they're laughing. They think it's funny. It's still the same concept as the first style I was showing you, but this concept goes more into depth on you got to have the right bio, the right hashtags. You want to create an entirely new account for this. And you want to stick to the same character that you were using in all the videos. And the best way to do that is whatever prompt you use for your character, will continue to use that same prompt and the same UI. And I'm going to cover that in the next the final style, because the final style is the one that has changed the most, like I said earlier. And that's the one that a lot of you are going to probably use. So this was just me explaining the concept behind how you can grow accounts specifically with TikTok. But like I said, other social media platforms, this can work also. But pick the niche, stick with the same character, and describe the same character. And the last thing I want to cover is the image to video concept. This one is, like I said, the one that I think most of you are going to use. Now, I already tested this out. So here's the step-by-step process that I go about using. And then I'm going to show you how to monetize with all of this. So first off, you're going to find high-quality reference images on Pinterest. So you go over to ChatGPT, give it the screenshot, give me a full scene analysis. Once it does that, it's going to give you everything about this person. Now, you can do this two different ways. The first way that I kind of recommend to do would be to take this over to ImageFX and have it create a replica of the person based off the UI, the scene analysis that you gave it. Next, let's make the video. Click text to video. We're going to go to frame to video. Click the little plus button. You're going to click upload. You're going to upload the image. You can have her do and say whatever you want. But for this, I'm just going to have her say something basic. And honestly, because I'm too lazy to sit here and type out what I want her to say, I'm just going to have ChatGPT cook me up a prompt similar to what I'm going for. Paste it, keep it pretty basic. I'm not going to go super in-depth on it. And then now it is going to create me a video of her.
Ladies, you need these pants. I usually hate jeans because they squeeze or ride up, but these don't. And they were way too cheap to pass up.
So here's how we're going to make money. The image I just showed you was a picture of a girl wearing this style. I guess, I don't know if these are called bell-bottom jeans or what these are called, but you can get these exact same jeans on TikTok. This is how you're going to have her sell the product for you. We're going to come over to TikTok shop. We're going to find a product. We're going to go women's underwear, probably not women's underwear, but we're going to find a product that we want her to wear for the video. We'll go with a women's tank top. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to screenshot this. After you screenshot it, I'm going to take this bad boy over to ChatGPT. Okay, I put that in ChatGPT. Now it's going to give me a full description, full breakdown. Okay, so it just described the shirt. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over to the ImageFX, paste that in there along with the prompt. All right, here we go. Now it has created the image. We have the picture. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to screenshot this. And we're going to take this right over to Flow. In the meantime, I'm going to show you the video that it made for the picture we had sent it. Image to video. Now, if you remember correctly, the way that this used to work would be you would send it an image and then it would break away from the image and then give you some weird looking video. But like I said, this right here is getting so much better. It's so much better since the last time I made a video talking about AI and just video creation that it's just night and day. The entire goal on how we're going to monetize and make money from this, like I said, is with TikTok Shop. So let's take that image. We're going to have 3 outputs. Bam. Now we wait on this and we'll see what it generates.
I actually got this shirt on TikTok Shop. As
I was editing the video, what you just watched, Flow come out with a new update. And I got to show you the update and add this part to the video because this is a pretty big update. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to new project and I'm going to explain this update briefly throughout this project. So here's what we are going to do. I'm going to go to the prompt builder. I'm going to type in, let's say, okay, it's going to be a man that's scared about AI progressing so fast. He's going to be sitting in the car, going to be passionate and fired up. Copy this. We're going to come back over to Flow. Now here's what they have added. There's the new features. You go to settings and you see this right here, portrait mode. Typically, every single VO3 or Flow video is landscape. And what you have to do if you want to turn this into a portrait style video, you would have to take it to, like, let's say replicate and then have it upscale it that way, which is just a few extra steps. Now you don't have to do that, which means this is going to come out to the size of a TikTok video or just any short form video. Now we're going to wait for this to create the video and I'll show you the final result, but just know now they have added that feature in there. I'll show you this video. Hopefully there's no more updates by the time this video gets posted.
When I hear about AI and the speed at which it is progressing, it scares me.
If you want to use the prompt builder, link's going to be in the description below. If you're not in Titans and you're wanting to make money with TikTok Shop affiliate, you can join Titans. That link will be in the description. If you enjoy this type of video, if you enjoy learning different ways you can make money with AI, different ways you can make money with TikTok Shop, and then how you can implement the two, subscribe, like the video, do all that stuff. Thank you all for watching. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you on the next one.